Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a linear dirty pour. Instead of me just going everywhere on the canvas, we're going to try to keep it old school like I used to do, going one way. I do have the mirror here just for focusing reasons, but I have a ton of color here. So of course we have black and white, Creative Inspirations, lamp black and titanium white, Soho, olive green, Lucas, brown ochre, that's a new color, Creative Inspirations, burnt sienna, Lucas beige, that's a new color, Soho red ochre, I believe that's a new color, Artist Loft Naples yellow, and then I have Craft Smart deep bronze, Craft Smart gold, and Creative Inspirations copper. So I'm going to start doing these cups. I think we're only going to need 3 to cover this because we will be stretching. So I think what I want to do is start with just a tad of black because I'm going to need some contrast in there somewhere to break everything up. And I'm going to follow that with the deep bronze because that's going to give us a great effect. Then we're going to go with the olive green from Soho. And follow that with the brown ochre. Now I want to put some beige in here. It's almost a white, it's just a little off. Not sure how dark it dries, I have not tried it yet. Follow that with burnt sienna. And then next to the burnt sienna, we're going to go ahead and put the copper. Follow that with Soho red ochre. So we are encasing that copper. And right after that one, we'll go do the gold. And then I want to give it just a tiny shot of black again to break it all up. Follow that with the Naples yellow. I think I need a little bit more of that. And just a squirt of white down the middle. And then we're going to do another whole row. So I better put a little more black in there, huh? Just hoping I don't have too much black. Okay, deep bronze from Craft Smart. Soho olive green. I gotta have my green in there. It's a nice contrast color. Brown ochre. The beige, or beige, however you say it. Creative Inspirations, burnt sienna, with my Creative Inspirations copper. Our red ochre from Soho. Soho paints are fantastic, and so are Lucas. Our Craft Smart gold. A little bit of black. And the Artist Loft yellow. I'm going to make a Naples yellow with Soho. I just haven't done it yet. Alright, I think we are good. We are ready to rock and roll. I'm going to keep that one there. No, I better move it. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and just linear pour. Because we're going to go back in with other cups. Then on that third cup, look how nice that paint comes out with the WD-40. So much easier to wash your cups. We're going to start here, and then we'll come up here. want that olive green in there. Alright, now in the third cup, I'm going to start here because I want to get rid of the yellow. And we're just going to place color where we want it. Sometimes we'll cross over just to break things up. Because you don't want just plain old lines. Alright, let me flip those over. Drain the rest of the drips out of there. Alright, so I'm not going to torch yet because I want to get these kind of together as much as I can. Because I already see areas that I don't like. There we go. Alright, so we are together now. Let me give it a torch and see what cells we can bring up so I know where I need to dump. Get the air bubbles first and then we'll come back in. That white should sink. And I may come in with another cup of metallics just to break that up. Let me see if I get something here. I think once I stretch it and open up the paint will be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off this side first. I'm going to shoot for that corner down there. I like to try to bring it all back so when I'm going somewhere it all goes together instead of zigzaggy. This is going to dry so much darker than what it is right now, so I kind of know what colors these are going to be. However, you don't, so you're probably thinking, ew, but it'll be pretty when it's dry, I promise. So we do paintings on Monday nights. We like to show them the following Monday because they're already dry. And it's amazing how much they change over that week. And if you haven't subscribed, click below and click on that bell. You'll be notified when we upload the next video. I didn't get a lot of lacing. I like to keep my torch about 6 inches from the canvas because I really don't want to burn my paint. And I never stand directly over this because the fumes are not good for you. You should be wearing a mask, a respirator. I see like no cells coming up through those bands. But I have cells in other spots, so I don't want to overwhelm it with cells. It's kind of nice to have some areas that don't have cells. Alright, I can come back in now. It's hard to stand that far away. Let me just give you a peek. See the clusters of cells with the Naples yellow and the black? That is really pretty. And you have one over here too. I love that green area right there. So that's going to change too. So, click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook in our Facebook group, The Parage Posse, with Christina Welch. The link is below. Join my art page as well for discount codes and stuff for our Etsy shop, and that link for the Etsy shop is below. We're running a 50% off sale till the end of February. So if you're looking at paintings, now's the time to get them, because once I pull them, they're gone. For your paint pouring supplies, check out our Amazon shop. I pretty much picked out everything I could find at the lowest prices with my business discount, so it does lock it in at that price. And if you want to send us a gadget for Mr. Welch to play with on Monday nights, send that to our P.O. box, which is directly below in the links. Write that down and send him a little treat. We get one about every 2 weeks, so he kind of cringes when he goes to the mailbox and finds a package in there. It's actually quite funny. And also, if you're looking to get resin through Stone Coat, we have a code below for our viewers. It's $10 off a $95 order. You can't beat that art coat. I don't use any other resin anymore. I swear by this. I will write every testimonial I can for them because it is the best resin I've used so far, and I've tried a lot. Also check out Mike's channel. They do some beautiful countertops, and there's other projects too. So I think I've covered everything. If you want to donate to the channel and get in on our quarterly giveaway, our next giveaway is April 1st. If you donate to the channel through my PayPal link below, you will be automatically entered to win. And that is a painting of your choice. If I have it in stock, it's all yours. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.